The Logitech MK270r. This is a combo of mouse and keyboard. Looking at the box, it says it has got a keyboard, a mouse, a dongle, user manual, 2 AAA batteries and 1 AA battery. On the side, it's manufactured in China and the MRP is 2295. On this side, there's nothing. This side, just a little picture of the keyboard. Let's open this. Box was in pretty bad shape. I hope the contents inside will be fine. This is the dongle. This is the mouse. Well, we have got some instructions here. Logitech is trying to be environmental friendly and trying to save paper. Here's the combo. Let's keep the box aside and let's open this black beauty. This is the mouse. Now this is how the keyboard keys sounds like. Quite mushy, soft, and it has got matte texture, and it's so good to type on this. It feels so good. And this is how the mouse clicks will sound like. Now let's remove this. It's got a matte texture. Even this one has got a matte texture, and we have got a matching finish, gray and black combi. This is the standard receiver. Now let's connect this to my gaming machine. Oh, that lovely Windows sound. On the back side, we have got feet with a nice click, and we have got the rubber feet. These are quite soft and will give a good grip to the keyboard. And this is the label area. We have got battery compartment, which Logitech claims will last for more than 2 years. Now let's see the mouse. This is the label area of the mouse. These are the skates. They're quite soft. The on-off button. This is, I suppose, laser optics. As I can't see the light. Let's see if the camera can catch the laser. No, it cannot. Upon opening, we have got an area to store the dongle. So you can easily store the dongle and can carry it anywhere. And then we have got space for 1 AA battery. And the battery will last for more than 24 months. That's what Logitech claims. We also have got standard instruction manual. I think I don't need this as it's a pretty straightforward process. For reference, I have got this, my good old buddy, the Logitech MX518. It's a gaming mouse and I've been using this since more than 10 years now. This came with 3-year warranty, and even this combo has got 3-year warranty, so I hope that it will last similar to this one or more than that. And I have got my trust and faith in Logitech. For reference, here are the two mouses together. This seems to be like a kid of this one. Now I've got my gaming machine with me, and I had been using this since more than 2 years. I like this keyboard, and it's soft and good to touch and type. And let's see how this compares in terms of size. This one is slightly larger. This is a 15-inch laptop with a keyboard, and this is how the Logitech feels. Now let's check out the distance of this keyboard. I'm gonna walk away from the camera and I'll be speaking while typing. Now I'm doing some random typing. I'm 1 meter away. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So yeah, this is working fine till 11 meters and has rightly sufficed what Logitech claims. So overall it's a nice keyboard, and now let's check out the multimedia keys. We have got play pause button, and then the mute, volume down and up. Let me just put this, volume up and down. This is the mute. Then we have got home. This opens up the browser. We have got email, which opens up the email window. We have got the shortcut for calculator, and this is to turn off the PC. Now the PC is in sleep mode. Let's see if it works again. Yes, it has risen from sleep. And this is caps lock. Caps lock light has come up here as well as on my laptop. This is the on off switch to conserve battery. So this is an overview of this keyboard and mouse, and I hope you have liked this video.